Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Before I get into this, I do want to express that I am not a financial expert, and these are not recommendations on what you should do and how you should invest your money, but just me simply documenting what I am doing with mine. So before you invest in the stock market, please do your own research and your own due diligence. As you can see here, we are just below 900 subscribers, and for that, I'd like to thank all the subscribers that have subscribed to my channel. And the ones that continue to watch the videos. It means a lot, as it does take a while to make these videos. So for that, I'd like to say thank you. And before we get in this video, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. And during this video, just smash that like button. Alright, now that the intro's out of the way, let's get into the actual challenge. So right here, I have a small account Robinhood options challenge set up for 52 weeks. That is 1 year. And as you can see here, I have my target goals. So weekly, I have a target set for $100 to $200. That translates to $200 to $400 monthly. And then an annual return that's targeted at $2,400 to $4,800. You ask, how will I do this? I'll do this by selling cash covered put options. And then if I'm ever exercised on those puts, I will then do covered calls with those puts. And then alongside that, I will be selling credit spreads. All right, so first stock on the list we have is going to be MGM Resorts. And as you can see here, they're trading at $17.55. And I purchased, actually sold a $15.50 put on MGM. And I received a $29 credit right here. And I still have another $19 I can squeeze out of this contract by Friday. If and when it expires worthless on Friday, I'll receive the whole $29. But as of right now, the stock is sitting at $17.55, and $2 away from me actually being exercised on Friday for the 100 shares of MGM. But as of now, that's $29 towards my $100 goal by the end of this week. So as you can see, this is a small account, so I do have $1,550 locked in as collateral, just in case I get exercised on the MGM Resorts 100 shares. But I do plan on making one other play Monday morning when the market opens, and that will be for SPY. I plan on doing a couple credit spreads, and I'll show you right here. All right, here we have the SPY option chain pulled up. And last week they closed at $306.03. So as you can see here, the reason why I like SPY is they have a lot of contracts that you can play for weeklies. And if you're selling premium, this could benefit you or hurt you. It really depends on if you're a bull or bear in the market and how the market treats you that week. But I do plan on keeping a bullish mindset, as this market is kind of crazy as is. But I am looking at the June 3rd contracts that expire Wednesday. Depending on how the market opens up, I'm planning on selling this $300 strike price and then buying the $299. And as you can see here, we'll receive a $23 credit, and I will be buying 4 of them. So as you can see here, by Wednesday, if the SPY does not drop below $300, then we will be able to keep this $92 of premium of profit, and then be able to open up another SPY contract that ends Friday, and then be well into our $100 to $200 profit range a week for this challenge. All right, as you can see here, I've put together a spreadsheet for the 52-week challenge. This is where I'll be tracking the progress that I made throughout the months. And as you can see here, I have the MGM cash covered put that expires Friday, June 5th. And I also have the SPY credit spread that I plan on getting Monday that expires Wednesday, June 3rd for that $92 credit. So with those 2 contracts alone for this week, I'm looking at a $121 net profit. All right, at this time, if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I try to respond to every comment that is left on my videos. And if you made it this part of the video, please just go and hit that like button and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me and my channel. So with that being said, if you do want to sign up, there is a link down in the description below for a Robinhood. You will get a free stock, and you can start your investment journey. So with that being said, man, thanks for watching, and until next time, peace.